Love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bedliner, remote keyless entry, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, body color door handles, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, cloth seat trim. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.